Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing the desktop version of websites when using Safari on iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are on Safari and you want to request the desktop version of a website, all you have to do is tap the AA icon at the top left of the screen. From there, select Request Desktop Site. Once you tap that, the page should reload, but in desktop view. If you want to remove the desktop view and go back to mobile view, tap the AA icon again and this time select Request Mobile Website. That is how you can request a desktop site on Safari on iPhone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.